What's the meaning of Cooper? Cooper. Cooper.
Cooper. Cooper. Cooper can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a noun, it can refer to a person who makes or repairs barrels, casks, or tubs. As a verb, it can mean to work together with someone to achieve a common goal. In general usage, Cooper may also refer to a surname or be used as an adjective to describe a color resembling that of copper. In the automotive industry, Mini Cooper refers to a popular model of car. Overall, the meaning of Cooper is multifaceted and varies depending on the specific situation or context in which it is used.